Hi guys! In this video, you will learn how to fix the email you provided is not supported in ChatGPT. If you encounter an error message saying the email you provided is not supported while using ChatGPT, it is likely that you entered an invalid or unsupported email format. So to fix the problem, first, verify the input. Double-check the text you entered to ensure that it does not contain an email address. If you intended to ask a question or provide a prompt, remove any email-related content. Next, modify your input. Reformulate your query or prompt without including any email-related information. For example, instead of asking a question about an email, try rephrasing it in a more general way. And retest the input. Once you have modified your input, try submitting it again to see if the error message disappears or not. In most cases, removing the email-related content should resolve the issue. But if the issue doesn't fix, you can also log in to other device on your home. And if it fixed already, then go back to your device and log in to ChatGPT. So that's how to fix the email you provided is not supported in ChatGPT. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial. Thanks for watching!